Today I'll show you how to get paid working online from home. You can start for absolutely free and from anywhere in the world. If you're interested, just make sure to keep watching till the end of this video so you can get every instruction right. Just before I start, I want to remind all of you that are watching this video that if you are new to this channel, just subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. So you're going to get notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like these ones on how to get money online. And also, if you like this type of content, you can just give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial. With that said, I'm going to start right away with this tutorial so I can show you every single step. And your very first one is to come over to the first platform for today, because I'm going to give you two other ones beside the first one that are going to help you with all of the artwork, so just stay tuned until the end. So the very first one is called Hiresine, and it's over at hiresine.com. You're going to see here that online jobs were never so easy to find. So here you're going to find some online jobs. You're going to work online and get paid again and again from the comfort of your home. If you scroll down, you're going to see some of the benefits of working from home. So for example, you're going to have better flexibility because it's you who is going to determine your own work hours, environment, lighting, settings, and so on. You're going to have more time because you're going to choose when you're going to work, in the mornings or at night. So you're going to have your own personal time, and also you're going to have freedom. So if you scroll down, you're going to see some of the jobs that are available over here, like typing jobs, paid survey jobs, and proofreading jobs. But in order to see all of the jobs that are available over here, you need to click on all current openings. And in the next page, you're going to see that first of all, you're going to register for absolutely free. They are going to send you timely payment, and also they offer 24/7 online support, and of course it is available worldwide, so anyone can join even if you don't have any experience at all, because I'm going to give you two free tools that are going to help you with one of these particular jobs. So let's get them one by one. First of all, you have some typing jobs over here that pays you from $4 up to $6 per page. You have online and offline typing, also proofreading jobs that pay you from $5 up to $10 per page. It includes checking for spelling and grammatical errors in different documents. You have some paid survey jobs that you can complete from $5 up to $50 per survey. They offer graphic design jobs, also PowerPoint presentation jobs, spreadsheet entry job, voice recognition, online advertisement, and also translation jobs, so you can translate some documents from one language to another. So as I said before, we are going to focus on one particular job, and then it's going to be the proofreading one. So just click over here and it's going to take you over to this page. And I highly recommend that you follow me step by step, because it is a little bit complicated, and I'm going to show you where you need to click in order to go over to the application process. So you can just do your application form, and after that you're going to see what you need to do next. So first of all, I want to mention that they offer full-time and part-time positions. Also, the technical and skill requirements are listed over here. For the technical requirements, you need to have minimum 16 years old, also desktop or laptop PC. You need to have Microsoft Office installed on your PC. You need to have an internet connection and a mobile phone so you can remain in touch with your clients. For the skill requirements, all you need to have is elementary skills in proofreading, good knowledge of internet-based applications, the ability to represent yourself, good communication skills, ability to manage time efficiently, and also you need to be quick regarding learning and grasping new things and concepts. So as I said before, I'm going to give you also those two online tools or free tools that are going to help you a lot with this strategy and with this job in particular. So just stay tuned until the end, because you can start as a beginner and get paid daily. So you're going to see that they offer competitive pay, just like we saw before. They pay from $5 up to $10 for each page. So it also depends on you and how much pages you're going to proofread per day in order to make the most money. They offer you flexible hours, and you are free from 9 to 5 jobs, because it's you who is going to determine where and when you want to work. And also you're going to have some online colleagues as well. So just scroll down a little bit. You're going to find this apply to be an online proofreader. You need to click on that, and I want to mention that the submission is free once again. In the next page, you need to scroll a little bit down. You have some review in the hiring process section, submit job application, and also complete sample project. Because when you're going to submit your job application, they are going to contact you, and then you need to just complete like a sample project. You need to send it to them, and they're going to see how you're going to do that work. But of course, first of all, you need to submit the job application. So once again, you need to click on this button over here. And now in this page, you need to also scroll down. As you can see, there are some other features as well that you need to read. And right now you need to click on the apply now button over here. So as I said before, there were a lot of steps. That's why I wanted you to follow me to see every instruction right. So in this last page, you need to complete the application form. First of all, you need to put your username, your first name, a last name, your age, email address, a password, confirm the password, your mobile number, your gender, then select your notice period, the position that you are interested in, and in this case it's going to be the proofreading job, your country, and you're going to notice that this is available all around the world, your current work status, and a brief explanation about yourself so they can get to know more about you. After that, just agree to the terms of service and privacy policy and click on the register button. As I said before, after that, after the application form is going to be submitted, you're going to also submit their sample work, but you're going to be contacting from them, and then you're going to start working from these people. And of course, I'm going to give you those 2 free tools that I mentioned even before that are going to help you with all of the hard work that you can even use when you are going to do that sample work. So you're going to just go over to the first free tool, which is called SlickWrite, and it's over at SlickWrite.com. As you can see, you can check your grammar in seconds. This is a powerful but also free application that is going to make it easy for you to check your writing for grammar errors and also stylistic mistakes and some other features as well. This is the best for some novelists, bloggers, students, SEO professional, but also for you that are going to work online. So you just need to go over to the start writing button over here. In the next page, as you can see, you can just paste the document, but you can even open a file, and after that you need to click on the continue button, and they are going to just check all of the grammatical errors. They are going to correct them, and you don't need to do a lot of work while proofreading. So this tool is going to help you a lot, and as we saw before, it was working for absolutely free. Now I'm going to mention even another one, so you can just combine the 2 of them, or you can just find the one that you like the most and you can use one of them. This one is called Reverso, and it's over at reverso.net, and you're going to see that this platform helps you with translation, context, grammar check, synonyms, and also conjugation. So you're going to see that I'm over the grammar check section, and what you need to do is to paste the text over here, and then you need to just go over to the check button, and they're going to give you the rewritten text with all of the grammatical errors fixed. So I highly recommend that you give it a try and let me know which one of these 3 tools is your favorite one. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, a comment down below, and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.